Welcome to the CryptoNest. So the FOMC meeting is today. Actually, let me go and check here. So there is 99.9% that they keep the same mortgage rate in 4 hours 35 minutes. On the calendar today we did have the core CPI. The previous result they were 0.3. The forecast was 0.3 and actually it's 0.2. And the CPI year to year, because that one was the CPI month to month. CPI year to year, previous was 3.4, expected 3.4, and actual 3.3. So this is why market is reacting positively. Now you can see that Bitcoin, we had quite of a surge now today. Let's go on the 1 hour so it looks more impressive. Let's zoom in. So you can see now I just draw this downtrend and see how, well, it's a weak one. It's only 2 touching points. Try to be the most accurate I can. And yeah, so touching here and here. You can see that we break out. Now it looks like maybe we're going to go and sit on it. Let's see how it goes. So we're up 2.84%. Ethereum also is doing kind of the same thing. Can I draw a trend line here just for fun? But I don't think it's doing something really, unless I touch just this one here and this one, and you can see how trend line sometimes works. Someone, it gives an idea, but yeah, sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. But for sure, a two touching line, it's pretty much weak. Okay, now let's do a quick follow-up on AGX. AGX, I did tell you this was my level where I was looking forward to accumulate, ideally. It did touch the MA 200 between the 0.382 and the 0.5 for a wave 4. That's an amazing level. Now, is the wave 4 completed? Well, we don't know. Did I got any? No, I chicken out. So I didn't got any AGX and fetch. I actually liquidated my longs because BITGET doesn't do longs for because they're delisting these coins for the new ticker. Now remember, I think yesterday was ASI, if I remember well. And yeah, so this is I didn't got any because I have PST of hot-end mining. So for the moment I'm a chicken. We need to assume what we are. I chicken out. Maybe if I see another 1-2, then maybe I'm going to scale back in. But for sure, if the new ticker is on, then I would getting with a leverage, because I have a quite nice amount of bag of AGX and fetch. So fetch also pretty much at the same level. Don't know what happened. Okay, here you can see it did reach, it reached about the same level. It did almost reach the 1-to-1 ratio, wave A, wave C. I made 200 as well, so that's for that. Arbitrum. Honestly, Arbitrum, I'm kind of pleased that, yeah, did it do 5-way up? That's so 1, 2, 3, maybe this was the 4 already. And was this a shallow 5, or all this is still a 4? I would go, at the beginning I thought this would be a 4, but now we can see it cannot be a 4 anymore. And this is why I'm taking my time with Arbitrum before I scale back in. So, and also here we had maybe a 1, 2, and a 3, and then we just fail, right? So I don't like this chart. So let's go to Avalanche. Let's take this one. It's a cleaner one. looks like I lost all my things or what? That's 4 hours. So here, Avalanche, we have the scenario of 5-way up, and this is the A, B, C. If that is the case, because we did a higher wave B, well, then this could be done, all right? And or if it's a wave 4, we can go even lower, and everything would be still okay. So still unsure, kind of moving on the side, honestly, and we shall see soon. Lido, I did tell you where would have been a nice entry level or starting to, and now you can see that yeah, it went even deeper. We did 5-way up, and then now we're doing a 3-wave down. So this is you know, it's a wave 2, right? A big wave 2. So it did went below the 1.618, and now what I'm looking forward now, it's like from the previous impulsive movement, well, you know, no surprise here, price got rejected. Well, it's the MA50. So here we are, MA50 rejection. If it goes back between 187 and 190, 91, maybe I'm going to get, I'm going to start to accumulate a little bit, depending also on the RSIs. Let's see, 4 hours. Honestly, today I don't feel buying anything because I'm sure market is going to be volatile. Sometimes it's better to skip a day. STX also, I would say the same thing, right? We can draw a trend line. I would call this a, you know, micro counting mini momentum trend line. And if we break below the 0.618, you know, forget about it, I would say. And definitely if we break the momentum line, then it's going to continue to go lower. Chainlink, it did reach the level here that I was looking forward. I didn't accumulate much. I did got some here, and yeah, here I didn't. At one certain point I'm missing liquidity. Now I did transfer some money, but by the time it transferred, price was already reversing. I do have alarms, but I also have a life, and I like to sleep. So I did put my, well, my phone, it goes, just go on a do not disturb. And yeah, so because I did add an alarm here at the 0.886, now I took it off. Maybe I should put it back, but I don't think it's going to come back at that level. And once again, here we do have a longer downtrend. I think this is May trend line. And is it? Let me do and check here. Yeah, 5th of May. And yeah, we're here. Maybe we're going to get, we just got rejected a little bit. Let's see how it goes. We could continue to go lower. So, you know, still that possible. Option. So this is, did I say link before or no? So this is PYTH, right? So yeah, so it's, that was the borderline. No, did I say link? But then I wanted to say, no, it's okay. PYTH, and so this is now PYTH. I did tell you yesterday or 2 days ago, price need to reverse now, otherwise we're going to be in trouble. It's doing something now. Let's see if we can continue and build up on this uptrend momentum. So Bitcoin, once again, yeah, it's let's see if there are any changements. Not really. It's holding on this level for a moment. Let's see. Ethereum, yeah, once again, a little bit weaker, but we do have this. I don't remember what's this trend line here. Let's go on the daily one. I think this was a level on the VRVP that I was checking. Yeah, okay. All right, so this is for that, and then I don't know if there are other coins that I should cover. Phantom, let's see Phantom, because it's long time. I actually got some phantom. I do have some leverage in phantom. So you can see that we did reach the 1-to-1 ratio pretty easily. And I had to go to add the 1.618. We did once again reach the 200 MA. You can see a lot of coins that are doing pretty much the same things. I wouldn't be surprised if, let me see if it's realistic. Can Phantom find the strength and go another 10-11% and then maybe retest, or have a test on this MA50, get rejected? Then I would look for a maybe a 50% retracement, and then I would see how I would go with that. So let's see here if it does go there. It didn't click now. So we're talking almost the same price it is now, and that would be a nice level to come back, but then we're going to see eventually. But otherwise it's looking good for Phantom. It did do a nice retracement, but now we really need something to build up, because I did say, I don't know if I did say, but I can see an A, a B, and a C for the wave 1, and now this is wave 2. You can see this is borderline, bend on, and now it looks like it's reversing. If it does, then we're going to make another ABC, like an A, B, and a C to complete the third wave in blue. Let's see if we can manage to do that. So that's the plan that I'm looking for. And I think that's pretty much. I don't want to make a big video once again. Nakamoto, also, honestly, I'm a little bit disappointed with this coin. Okay, I can count kind of 5-way up here. Now, okay, we did the retracement, fine. Actually, let me put the 0.618 and take out this one. Let me see on the fib, yes. Okay, so it's a little bit messy. So I guess I'm taking out this line, yes. So we can see the line here. So we did bounce between those two, almost touched the 0.786, and now it's time for reversal sign and skyrocketing, because if this was the 1 and this is the 2, then we need a nice third wave. Can you believe $7.40? I mean, this would be amazing. I do have some Naka. I would be very happy if it does happen. VET. Yeah, VET. The problem with VET is now, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be the beginning of a correction, or this is just the A, B, C for 1. This was the 2, and now we're doing the 3, and then the 3 is going to be an A, B, C. Okay, so no matter what, now, actually, let me see here, because I didn't do any fib retracement. What's wrong with me? So let's take the scenario that this, I can count this as a 5-wave up. What are the levels now that it did reach? So let me widen up a little bit. Okay, so we didn't even touch the 0.5. Did we touch the 0.3? I believe so. So we're here. So this could be just the A, a B, and then we're going to go lower. That is the case if with the green count, right? And this is going to be a bigger wave too. Now, the other option is that this is the 1. This is the 2. And now this is just the A. We're doing the B and we're going up for the C. So let's see that one here. So the wave C, how deep did it go? 0.786. Actually, this is a nice length for the wave B, honestly. So that would work also. So in both scenarios, I'm looking for something short-term higher, right? So that's amazing. Again, good. Okay, so this is the case of the third wave here. How about if this is the A, let's calculate the B on the opposite side, right? So if the B wave is completed, I'm still looking forward. If we need to do a B wave, because this is going to be an A, B, and C for discount here in green, then we could reach 4 cents 3 or 4 cents 8 and still be okay. So no matter what, I'm looking for short-term higher levels price. All right, now let me take out some things here. All right, so this is pretty much all for today. Have a nice FOMC meeting day. Be alert. Don't maybe be careful if you're trading today. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.